I'm Susan Bigrus. The title of my project is Secure and Privacy in Cloud Environments Using Advanced Techniques. At this moment, I would like to thank Dr. E. Kannan, the registrar, who has guided me all these days to complete this project successfully. Cloud computing is a fast growing technology in almost all industries today. The data stored over the cloud environments needs to be saved and safeguarded from unauthorized users. Here I have introduced HAZI keyword search, through which users will be able to search for the data over the cloud environment using the keyword. We have exploited edit distance to quantify keyword similarities and developed two advanced techniques on constructing HAZI keyword sets, which achieve optimized storage and representation overheads. In the existing system, an client computes a per data key to encrypt the data that the user intends to store in the cloud. As such, the data access is managed by the data owner. Secondly, by integrating access rights in metadata file, an authorized user can encrypt file only with the private key. Proposed system. I formalized and solved the problem of effective ASCII keyword search over encrypted cloud data while maintaining keyword privacy. It enhances greatly users by returning the matching file that users are searching for. In the system architecture, we would be able to see that the data owner logs in with a username and password, and he uploads the required file over the database in the cloud environment. Here, attribute based encryption and decryption algorithm is used, in which the data which are being stored in the database in the cloud environment is encrypted before getting it stored. Data flow diagram. Initially, user searches for the data using the keyword. When he gets a response with the list of data available, user tries to log in. If a user is already a registered user, he will log in with the existing username and password. If the user is not an existing user, he tries to register himself. On the other end, admin, the cloud owner, he imports files, he uploads files, he tries to download or make any changes over the database in the cloud environment. Module list. There are three modules that I am using in this project. First one is gram based technique. The second one is symbol based try traverse search scheme. The third one is rating recommendation system. Gram based technique. The gram based technique is a substring that can be used as a signature for efficient approximate search. While gram has been widely used for constructing inverted lists for approximate string search, I use gram for matching purpose. Architecture of gram based technique. Owner over the cloud server encrypts the data from the outsource. Users on the other hand searches for the data over the cloud environment. Symbol based try traverse. Symbol based try traverse is a multi-way tree which is constructed for storing the HAZI keyword set over a finite symbol set. Symbol based try traverse, it searches for the data depending upon the attributes. For example, if I am going to search for a database called patient list, I will try to enter the attributes of that patient, like if the patient is male or female, or if the race is Asian, black or white, which will provide me data in a very short form so that I'll be able to select the data which I need. Rating recommendation system. Rating recommendation system is one of the most famous applications using collaborative filtering. Rating recommendation system tries to identify neighbors based on the rating difference of each rating pairs between the target users and the candidates. That is, user logs in, he tries to download the file. He downloads a file that maximum number of users have already downloaded, so that user will know which file is very effective rather compared to others. Conclusion. Here I have utilized remotely stored encrypted data in the cloud environment. Future enhancement. Proposed a brand new symbol-based right reverse searching scheme where a multi-tree structure is built up using symbols transformed from the resulted Hazy keyword set. System requirements and references. Now I am going to go ahead and run the project and show you. Initially, the data owner will need to log in using the username and password, which is already set. Now the data owner will go ahead and store data in the database. Here the data has been stored and the encryption process on the right hand side is taking place. Now the data owner can log out. Users can search using the keyword. So there is one file matching the user and the total compilation time is also displayed. So user, if he is an existing user, he can click here and he can try to download the data. If user is not an existing user, he will need to register himself. Here we have got something else called sys recommendation, that is the recommendation system. Recommendation system will tell me the data which are frequently used by other users. These are the data which are frequently used by the other users. This is a graph based, it is shown as a graph. So this is shown in the form of string based. So these are the files which are being downloaded and accessed by the users over the cloud environment. Here we have finally solved the problem of users searching for the data over the very vast environment or the database, which takes a lot of time for the users. So we have solved the problem of users spending hours and hours of searching for the data that they need over the environment. Thank you.